NIO stock was up in quarter 3 and is expected to keep rising through to the fourth quarter, as analysts have predicted that NIO will be rubbing shoulders with Tesla soon. In today's video, we will be looking into NIO stock price prediction big jump, massive update similar to Tesla growth. A lot of factors contributed to the downfall of the stock market. The Chinese EV stock market was hit even harder from the COVID-19 sanctions, competition from other EV companies, lockdown of some factories, and the economic recession. On 11 November, China eased their zero COVID-19 sanctions and NIO started to see a rise in stock price. Although NIO stock revenue for the third quarter was down, NIO stock analysts and investors were assured of 87% growth in the coming quarter, as CFRA analyst Lim Jianshong said on the 11th of November that in 2023, we project revenue to grow 101% on stronger sales of new models and recent launch in Europe, where NIO's leasing option will increase car affordability. The Chinese EV company assured investors of the ability to grow in revenue as it tries to take away the fears of investors who are losing hope from the release of the quarter 3 results. Just like Tesla, NIO makes luxury EVs and has user demand too. Although NIO makes luxury cars too, unlike Tesla, NIO separately sells cars from batteries. We shall discuss this soon. When China released their zero COVID regulations, NIO stock price rose from $11.02 to $11.39 on 11 November. NIO plans to manufacture their own batteries in 2024. This new battery production will also contribute to an increase in revenue for NIO in the coming years. NIO is expanding into other countries as it is broadening its perimeters in China. NIO offers the subscription plan for batteries since they do not sell their cars with batteries, thus the batteries and the cars are sold separately. Customers who do not have the luxury of buying the battery are given the opportunity to rent the batteries. But the Chinese EV maker is promising to start making their own batteries, which means that soon they will start delivering cars with their batteries. Users are also allowed to swap their batteries, as NIO boasts of 1,047 battery swap stations situated in China, and they have helped with more than 10 million battery swaps. Challenging Tesla in the battery swap position, NIO has expanded the battery swap stations to Europe. NIO installed 517 battery swap stations in China for its users. As if that's not enough, NIO's growth is beginning to reassemble Tesla stock growth as new models are coming up and is making the market rally for NIO. Not only does NIO promise to start manufacturing their own batteries, batteries have also introduced a new 87, which we will be discussing soon. Wait, have you subscribed yet? No. Quickly hit that subscribe button before we go on. In the Q3 earnings report, NIO stock was up 38.2% year-on-year, amounting to almost $1.68 billion. NIO reported to have made about 10,059 vehicle deliveries in October 2022, which is an increase of about 174.3% year-on-year. Analysts expect NIO's stock growth to continue into next year. As NIO's deliveries in quarter 3 were low, NIO expects to deliver 43,000 to 48,000 vehicles in quarter 4. If NIO can achieve this target, their growth will be around 71.8% to 91.7% for Q4, and their revenue will rise between $2.4 billion and $2.7 billion. Whilst the quarter 3 report sent spirits down, Morgan Stanley's Tim Xiao says the company is confident of achieving its full-year target of 150 units this year, implying 68 units of vehicle sales in 4Q, doubling QoQ. Tim Xiao tells investors that the company will deliver their expected vehicles for 2022 and that there should be more focus on the upcoming quarter 4 report, as that will change a lot of thoughts. He believes NIO stock will rise beyond analysts' expectations. Although Tesla is expected to deliver its first batch of the semi-truck, NIO has introduced the latest 87 with a 1,000 kilometers range, beating Tesla's 500-mile range. This means NIO is not only matching up to Tesla in terms of stock, but also going in to beat them at distance. Concerning stock price, NIO stock is currently valued at a price-to-sale ratio of 2.8, which is less than Tesla's 7.5. Investors are buying more NIO shares as they believe NIO will soon skyrocket and rub shoulders with Tesla. Although NIO was hit with the poor economic growth into a downfall in the last 12 months, NIO stock has started to find its feet again, and its growth is beginning to look a lot like Tesla. Stay with us to learn more. Thank you for watching today's video.